Hi everybody, it's Green Bin Wednesday, and you know what that means. And today it's a special Green Bin Wednesday because it's going to be raining for 3 days straight. We're going to have 3 inches of rain this week, and so I want to make sure that we get up a bunch of the fall leaves so they don't become paper mache all over the driveway and sidewalks, because it's fall in the forest. All right, let's get going. All right, so forgive all the commotion going on, but yeah, we got it pretty cleaned up. So this is going to be a garden patch, so I'm letting that mulch. It looks pretty good here. Pulled out all of the ferns up there. Blew off the deck. I mean, the leaves just keep falling, but I think it looks pretty darn good. And the path, of course, clean down there. All right, so I think I'm going to end it there. There's more to go, but the construction guys are still in the way, so we're getting new power lines, if you're wondering. But hope you guys are well. I'm Robert Jones. Like and subscribe. Come back for more forest life and Green Bin Wednesdays. All right, you guys, take care.